Number 1. 1953 Austin A40 Somerset, $2,500, Healdsburg, California. The 1953 Austin A40 Somerset Coupe Saloon is a charming post-war British compact classic. This project car is complete but not running, having been stored in a barn since 1992 when it was last driven home. The front floorboards show rust, though an extra engine comes with the sale. Its rounded body lines and four-cylinder simplicity make it ideal for those who enjoy restoring vintage English cars. A great low-cost starting point for beginners in British classic restoration. Number 20. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, $4,800, Yorba Linda, California. This 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe features a six-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. The car is 100% complete, and the interior seats are in excellent condition. It has not run in about 5 years, but has a clean title and low odometer reading of 3,137 miles. With minimal work, this first-generation Mustang could become a reliable cruiser or entry-level restoration project. Number 3. 1987 GMC Jimmy 4x4, $4,000, Newberg, Oregon. This 1987 GMC Jimmy 4x4 offers classic square-body styling with proven reliability. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch TBI engine and TH400 automatic transmission, running strong with 72,300 miles and a clean Oregon title. Equipped with power windows, air conditioning, Warn locking hubs, and BFG all-terrain tires, it is ready for light off-road use or everyday driving. A solid, affordable 1980s 4x4 classic. Number 4. 1964 Buick Skylark, $7,000, Little Canada, Minnesota. This two-door 1964 Buick Skylark hardtop features a 355 Wildcat V8, Powerglide automatic transmission, and power steering. The engine starts and runs strong, with a solid structure and minor rust on the lower doors and quarters. The brakes need repair due to a failed master cylinder. With 62,000 miles, it is a strong candidate for restoration, combining style and solid mechanical potential. Number 5. 1962 Ford Galaxie, $8,000, Santa Fe, New Mexico. This 1962 Ford Galaxie shows a straight, mostly original body with 132,000 miles. Its V8 engine starts and runs with a Ford-O-Matic transmission but needs tuning. The car includes all components for a vintage Sears air conditioner and has good glass and clean title. It needs new seat covers and a muffler, but has excellent lowrider project potential. Its original paint and body give it timeless 1960s appeal. Number 6. 1987 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible, $7,950, Carrollton, Texas. A one-owner Corvette with 132,112 original miles and a clean Carfax. It runs and drives fantastic with a 5.7-liter V8 and automatic transmission. Features include power windows and doors. This convertible offers late 1980s Corvette performance and comfort at a fair price. Perfect for weekend drives or entry into classic car ownership. Number 7. 1966 Ford Thunderbird, $14,000, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This silver 1966 Ford Thunderbird Coupe shows 8,690 miles, rolled over, and runs well with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. It needs brake work and repairs to a few power accessories, but has many new components, including the radiator and fuel pump. The car drives fine overall and offers classic luxury styling from the mid-1960s. Ideal for someone who enjoys mechanical projects. Number 8. 1964 Dodge Polara, $11,500, Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. A true barn find. This 1964 Dodge Polara 440 hardtop has a 273 V8 3-speed column shift and 82,000 miles. Parked since 1976, it was recently revived with new fuel, electrical, and brake systems. The body is solid, with minimal rust and original paint showing honest patina. A genuine survivor that can be enjoyed as is or restored further. Number 9. 1964 Plymouth Valiant Coupe, $14,900, Santa Clara, California. This 1964 Plymouth Valiant Coupe has 57,300 miles and is in show-quality condition. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine with push-button automatic transmission, it includes added air conditioning and has always been garage kept. The glass, rubber, and details are excellent. A dependable, beautifully kept Mopar classic ready for daily enjoyment. Number 10. 1974 Chevrolet Nova, $14,000, Orange County, California. This 1974 Chevrolet Nova features a 350 cubic inch small block V8, Edelbrock carburetor, turbo 400 transmission, and disc brakes. The body shows light wear and faded paint, and the dash is cracked. It needs wiring work, but runs strong and has a clean title. A solid and mildly upgraded muscle-era cruiser with good mechanicals. Number 11. 1973 Lincoln Continental Mark IV, $14,900, Fullerton, California. This one-owner triple blue 1973 Lincoln Continental Mark IV shows 66,505 miles and has been garaged in Southern California its entire life. The car is completely original, featuring a matching number drivetrain, beautiful leather interior, and upgraded electronic ignition. Smooth, elegant, and rust-free, this Mark IV is a fine example of American 1970s luxury. Number 12. 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, $11,900, Tracy, California. Elderly owned since 1994, this 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme has 174,000 miles and a rebuilt 307 V8 with about 30,000 miles since overhaul. An all-original T-top model with vinyl roof, original hubcaps, and working air conditioning. Runs well with minor brake noise. A clean, straight daily driver that represents classic late 1980s American comfort and dependability.